and welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, DESI ASTRO. And in this Python tutorial I am going to show you how to code a scatter plot using Pandas libraries. So earlier we have done using say Matplotlib and Seaborn. You can watch my videos and I will put the link in the description. So let's see how to plot a scatter plot using Pandas library. So first we need to import some library. So import pandas as pd, then import numpy as np. Well, now so pandas is used for data framing and plotting. And numpy used for array. Now define your data. So x equal to say np dot line space say -10 to 10 and even 50 data points. So this become your x. So similarly you can define say y, you can define y, you can say x raised to 5, and you can also define say y1, that should be y equal to say, you can say y equal to x square, and you can also define say y2 equal to minus x cube. So you have three y's and one x. Now what to do? Now prepare your data frame. So prepare data. So for that just give command say data equal to set say your x column is x, similarly your y column is y, and then your y1 column such that y1 and y2, so y2 column is y2. Now load this data, into data frame. Okay, so for that type df equal to pd dot data frame and give your data. Now type df and so what it is showing. Okay, so here you got your x, y, y1 and y2 data frame. So this is your data. Now our job is to plot. Okay, so type command, so plot a scatter using pandas. So for plotting using pandas, type command df dot plot dot scatter and then give x equal to your x column and then y equal to your y column. Now run it. See, you can see that there's a plot using pandas, but also this is showing your label X and Y. So you can remove this using use this column and then run it. So you can plot it using this. You can also remove this extra mark using, if you want to import Matplotlib library, matplotlib.pyplot as prt, remove this one and type prt.show. So what will work in the same way. So for time being I am removing this one and just give, and this will work. Now this is a single plot. Now suppose you want to do multiple plotting in the same plot. So what to do? For that just give here df.plot.scatter and then give your x equal to your x column and then y equal to your y1 column, and see run it, what will happen. Or maybe just give here ax1 equal to, and then here give ax equal to x1. Now run it. Okay, so you can see that there is a constant straight line and there is your one of the curve. Similarly you can like plot other plot. So for that just give here x2. You need to type command here df.plot.scatter your x column and then your y equal to your y2, and you also need to give ax equal to your ax2. Run it. What is mistake? There should be comma. Okay, so here you can see that there are 3 plots in a single axis. And now what else you can do? You can change the color if you want. So you can give c equal to say red. You can also give size. So s equal to, you can give 200. Run it. See, the size has been increased and color has been changed. So you can do to this all plots. Copy paste it. Now you can change it to say green. You can change it to 100. You can change it to cyan. Change it to 300. Now run it. See, all your plots are you can give the color equal to, you can say green, and you can give size equal to say 150 and size equal to 100. Okay, so you can see there are like 3 plots. Maybe you can decrease the data points for better visibility. Okay, so here is your raster plot using Pandas. Now you can also give label to these plots if you want. You can give say label equal to first. Run it. you can see the legend is plotting on its own. Label equal to second plot, and then label equal to your third plot. Okay, so you can see that I think we have two plots with same color. So yeah, so here you can see that like you have three plots with three different colors, red, cyan and green. So this way you can do plotting using pandas, and you can plot multiple plots in a single plot, and you can give title, other stuff you can give. So I hope you got the idea that how to plot your scatter plot using pandas libraries. So whatever we did for like your Matplotlib and Seaborn. So this is a simple way to plot your scatter plot. So thank you. Or maybe you can add some libraries if you want. So here you can add interactive control. So for that just type command percentage matplotlib and widget, run it. See, you'll get here 6 different keys. So from there you can zoom the plot data points. From here you can go back, go forward one step, you can reset, and from here you can move your plot, and from here you can download. You can download the plot from here. So I hope you got the ideas about how to do plotting using pandas library in Python, and how to plot different data points, how to give labels, how to change the color, and how to give the size. You can also like give the marker size if you want. So you can give say marker and give it say a star. Run it. See, your data point has been changed with the stars. So you can also give two different marker. So marker equal to, give it to say you want to give diamond, you want to give triangle shape. See, your triangle shape is looking okay. So you learn one more thing, that how to give its marker. So thank you again.